At university, as well as in the rest of our lives, generative artificial intelligence, or GenAI, is becoming more available and advanced every day. You may already be familiar with GenAI through tools like ChatGPT or Copilot. And when we have the digital, creative, and critical skills to use these tools well, they offer a whole range of opportunities to streamline and strengthen our studies. At the University of Southampton, we encourage students and academics to become skilled, responsible users of generative AI, empowering and preparing us all for an increasingly GenAI-enabled world. This could include using GenAI to provide feedback on written work, to generate example exam questions, to create an individualized study timetable, and a whole world of further possibilities. Get to know how the tools can work for you in your own personal context. Part of using these tools well is also being aware of their limitations. As useful as they can be, generative AI is also often inaccurate, misleading, biased, and unsustainable. Your creativity, innovation, critical thinking skills, and learning are your most valuable academic assets, and the reason you're here at university. Generative AI tools can support your studies, but they should never replace you and your voice. It's really important to fully understand how you can use generative AI appropriately and ethically in your studies, and to know when it's inappropriate to use. This involves being completely transparent with your GenAI use and never claiming work as your own when it's been partly or completely AI generated. Critical and responsible use of generative AI is just one of the many skills you can develop here at university. But remember, it should never replace the skills and knowledge that you're here to learn.